now we see the applications of specific heat capacities of gas. So first we consider monoatomic gas. Number 1, monoatomic gas. Monoatomic gas means it consists of only single atom, that is monoatomic gas. So consider a monoatomic gas enclosed in a container at constant temperature and Na be the total number of atoms. There are Na be the total number of atoms. So consider monoatomic gas in a container. Let Na be the total number of atoms, that is total atoms. Temperature is constant, and as there are total number of atoms Na, each atom has only 3 degrees of freedom because it is monoatomic gas, and therefore it has only 3 degrees of freedom. So it has 3 degrees of freedom. It is also denoted by DOF, that is degrees of freedom, and therefore the average kinetic energy of atoms is equal to 3/2 k beta T. This is average kinetic energy, 3/2 k beta T. Therefore total internal energy of these n atoms, now total internal energy, that is E is equal to 3/2 k beta T into Na, but k beta into Na is equal to R, and therefore this E can be written as 3/2 R into T. This is E is equal to 3/2 R into T. Now by definition or by differentiating, dE by dt is equal to 3/2 R. This E is equal to 3/2 RT. Now we have to differentiate this equation E is equal to 3/2 RT, and therefore dE by dt is equal to 3/2 RT. But Cv is equal to dE by dt. Therefore Cv is equal to 3/2 RT, and using Cv is equal to R plus Cp is equal to R plus Cv, therefore this Cp is equal to R plus 3/2 R. It becomes Cp is equal to 5/2 R. This is value of Cp. Cv is 3/2. Sorry, this is not 3/2 R. Only this is 3/2 R. Okay. So Cv is equal to 3/2 R, and Cp is equal to 5/2 R. Now adiabatic constant gamma is equal to Cp by Cv, and therefore gamma is equal to 5/2 R upon 3/2 R. It becomes 5/3 or 1.67, and this is nothing but the adiabatic constant for monoatomic gas. Similarly, if we consider diatomic gas, means this gas consists of the 2 atoms, or this gas molecule consists of 2 atoms. So we consider diatomic gas. There are 2 types of diatomic gases. One is they may be rigid rotator, or they may not be rigid rotator. So for diatomic gas such as O2, N2, CO, HCl, are supposed to be consist in a container at constant temperature or at temperature T, and number of atoms are Na. So we consider first condition, that is if gas is treated as rigid rotator, this is diatomic. So first case we consider rigid rotator. If we consider a gas as rigid rotator, then each molecule will have 3 translational degrees of freedom, and as if it is rigid rotator, then it has 2 rotational degrees of freedom, means it has total 5 degrees of freedom. So that is average energy is equal to 3 by 2 k beta T. This is translational, plus 2 by 2 k beta T. This is rotational degrees of freedom, and therefore the total degrees of freedom of diatomic gas will be 5 by 2. Therefore E average is equal to 5 by 2 k beta T, and therefore internal energy of Na atom E is equal to 5 by 2 k beta T into Na, but this k beta into Na is equal to R, and therefore this can be written as 5 by 2 RT. Now Cv is equal to dE by dt, therefore 5 by 2 R, that is Cv is equal to 5 by 2 R. This is equation number 1. And Ug Cp minus Cv is equal to R, therefore Cp is equal to Cv plus R, therefore 5 by 2 R plus R, it becomes 7 by 2 R. This is Cp, means principal specific and constant pressure, and adiabatic constant gamma is equal to Cp upon Cv, means 7 by 2 R upon 5 by 2 R. It means that gamma is equal to 7 by 5, means gamma is equal to 1.4, and this is the required formula, required value of adiabatic constant. Third, means case 2. If we consider non-rigid rotator, suppose gas is not rigid rotator, means if a gas is non-rigid vibrating molecule, that is not rotating means vibrating molecule, then it has, listen here, if gas is a non-rigid rotator, means it is vibrating, then it has a 3 translational, 2 rotational and 1 vibrational degrees of freedom. Therefore the total energy E is equal to 3 by 2 k beta T plus 2 by 2 k beta T plus k beta T. These are total degrees of freedom, and therefore E is equal to 7 by 2 k beta T, and internal energy of Na atom is E is equal to 7 by 2 Na k beta T. Therefore E is equal to 7 by 2 RT, since Na k beta is equal to R and Cv is equal to dE by dt, means 7 by 2 R, and Cp is equal to Cv plus R, means 7 by 2 R plus R equal to 9 by 2 R. This is the Cp, and using these two values, adiabatic constant gamma is equal to Cp upon Cv means 9 by 7. Thus gamma is equal to 9 by 7. This is adiabatic constant for non-rigid vibrating molecule. Third, we see for polyatomic gases. So what are polyatomic gases? This polyatomic means the gas consisting more than 2 atoms is termed as polyatomic gas. Means it may consist 3 atoms, 4 atoms, 5 atoms and so on. That is polyatomic gases. Number 3, polyatomic gas. So if we consider a polyatomic gas, then gas have molecules containing more than 2 or 3 or 4 number of atoms termed as polyatomic gases. So polyatomic gas consisting of the 3 translational degrees of freedom, 2 rotational degrees of freedom, and some number of vibrational mode of degrees of freedom. So let F be the vibrational mode and therefore average energy of degrees of freedom is equal to 3 by 2 k beta t plus 2 by 2 k beta t plus F k beta t. Means it becomes polyatomic gases has 3 translational degrees of freedom, 3 rotational degrees of freedom, and some means F vibrational mode of degrees of freedom, and therefore this can be written as 3 by 2 k beta t plus 3 by 2 k beta t plus F k beta t, and therefore E average is equal to 3 k beta t plus F k beta t. Therefore this can be written as 3 plus F k beta t. This is E average, and therefore E is equal to 3 plus F k beta t into Na, that is internal energy, and therefore E is equal to 3 plus F into RT, since k beta into N is equal to R. Now Cv is equal to dE by dt, and therefore Cv is equal to 3 plus F into R. This is value of Cv, and Cp is equal to Cv plus R. Therefore Cp is equal to 3 plus F into R plus R. Therefore it can be written as 4 plus F into R. After solving this bracket, we get 4 plus F into R, and therefore adiabatic constant gamma is equal to Cp upon Cv. Therefore gamma is equal to 4 plus F upon 3 plus F, and these are nothing but the applications of specific heat capacity of gases, and this is adiabatic constant for polyatomic gas.